Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's live stream. So, exactly like what the title of this live stream mentioned, that's exactly what happened, guys. Which is insane, really just insane today. I don't want to go too fast or anything. Can you guys look at that? Just look at how the price flew all the way. Yeah, so today's live stream might not be that long. I'm so sorry. That's because I was actually hosting a VIP live stream session that is only privileged to Discord members who have joined my Discord, which is to join is totally free. So I also have like these VIP members that joined. Uh, so we were actually having a session earlier, and then we also spoke about this move where I actually called out this move 3 hours prior to it actually happening. And don't worry. I won't be the person just like saying it without any proof. Oh, I also can say that. I can say I called it 2 days ago without proof. Yeah, I know. Words is words, right? But I can show you guys now that actually I have called this move, especially inside of our Discord community where I shared it totally for free for everybody to know. So for those that have managed to capture this move and followed my advice based on waiting for certain things to happen prior to going for a long opportunity, congratulations to you. I received some of your texts also, and also your screenshot of your profits. I'm so happy. Congratulations. I personally, to be honest, I did not enter this trade. The reason is because I was too focused during our VIP session. But then I'm also happy that some students throughout the session actually remembered that I called this out. I only kind of like remembered it when I suddenly, hey, hi Mochi, hello guys, say hi to Mochi. This is Mochi, basically my trading cat. So whenever I do live streams, right, she's the reason why sometimes I go out of camera. Yeah, because I have to put her away. Or not, she likes to play with lights and play with my keyboards. Right. You pro trading, okay, you make me proud. Okay. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah. So I just went and opened the chart spread, Bitcoin. Just after I finished my. Oh hi again, hello again, guys. Like I said, she's the reason why I have to move out the camera. Same thing happening right now. Let me go and put her someplace where she's not camera shy. She's very extrovert. She loves being in front of camera. One moment, guys. Enjoy the music. We'll continue this. Okay, one moment. Okay, guys, where were we? Oh yeah. Okay. Coming back to the story. Let me just start the light a bit. Okay. I think it's better now. Okay. So basically, what happened was, I once we done our session with the members that joined, and then I went to just look in the market as what I usually do, and I realized, wow, such a big move. And then this yellow line here, as you guys can see, right? Let me just point it out that this yellow line here, I was trying to remember why was it even there in the first place. Then I was thinking, and then I was like, oh wait a minute, I remember I called this out. I remember this was something that I mentioned in the group, and I will show you guys that right now. Let me see how do I show it. Maybe if I point it out here, you guys can see. Hold on, let me see. Can you guys see that? No, you guys can't see it. So let me figure out again, guys. OBS is also something I'm still learning. Snipping 2, this is the one. Is it the one? Is this the one? No, you guys not seeing anything now. Everything is black. See, this is legit. Okay. Let me see. Let me go back to Trading View. Okay. Can I post this on Trading View? Is that possible? Paste it. Oh yes, I can. Trading View is awesome for this. Look at this, guys. I think you guys can see. Okay, yeah, you guys can see it. Right. Look at it. 6:57 p.m. today. I mentioned, guys, my predictions for NY session later. I believe that Bitcoin will be going towards the upside to close off price at 103,476.2. As of now, price is still bearish to wait for any form. Also, actually, it's so now I realize that apparently there was a grammatical error. So, malu. So, basically, I'm saying is right now price is currently bearish at the time, as you can see in the screenshot. So I told everybody actually in the Discord group to wait for any form of basically change of character. That's what you're saying, CHOCH, prior to any potential entry for long. Yeah. So for those that have entered, I'm very happy for you. Congrats. I didn't enter a trade that I called out. Ah, but it's okay. It's okay. Your victory is my victory. Okay. And actually, it went even higher than what we predicted it to be. Okay, I show you guys proof already, yeah? And trust me, all of these things, right, that I share, it's not a one-time off thing. I do this daily, guys. I share this daily. My predictions for the day. I do this every single day. So if you guys want to be interested, right, to catch this sort of moves or to understand how the market is moving, I even made a post before. It has something to do related to your environment. To be honest, it's very important. Okay, there was this very nice post because I love cars a lot. So they were showing this. I forgot. I know it's AI, but the meaning of it is very beautiful, lah. I think it was a Bugatti, or maybe it was a Ferrari. I can't recall because they had two. One was a LaFerrari, one was a Bugatti. Let's just stick to the Bugatti one, lah. Okay. Basically, for those who don't know what Bugatti is, you should know. Basically, it's a very luxurious car. Okay. So it's showing that the car is so dusty. Okay, and it's inside of a garage that is literally being abandoned. Okay, so the post basically says, uh, how do I say that? No matter how valuable you truly are, because Bugattis are really expensive cars, right? They're like hypercar level, like crazy expensive. Malaysia, right? If you wanna buy a Bugatti Chiron, the latest one I think is about 12 million ringgit. Okay, I'm not even sure if that's on the road price or not. I don't know sure. Okay, but imagine that 12 million ringgit for a car. Okay, so he said that no matter how valuable you actually are. Okay, if you're in the wrong environment, you are basically nothing. That hit me a lot because for me, right, when I won't say growing up, I had a good childhood, very good childhood, thanks to my parents. But then, I mean, when I actually started to work, okay, like actually go into the corporate life, right? And then I start to realize that things that how much they value you only for the work that you do, but they don't really want to see you grow outside of that. I'm not sure if you guys could capture that or not. Let me start on the music. I'm not sure if the music is capturing the volume or not. To be honest, give me 1 second. I always check to make sure that I'm actually live streaming. I need to check this. All of this would be total waste then if I'm not live streaming. Live streaming? You can live stream that? Oh my god. Yep. Okay, I'm live streaming. Alright. This is okay, awesome. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah. So usually, right, I start to realize, actually it took me quite some time to realize as well, that actually they're not really interested to see you grow outside of what they want you to grow in. Yeah. So basically your value is only valuable to them if it benefits them but not really benefits you, to be honest. Yeah. So that's why this Discord group, right, we created it and then we made it free for everybody to join in. It's because we want to create a community. We want to allow you Okay, whoever you are, thank you for watching the live stream, or watching the video even after the live stream. I'm still thankful. But like, allow you guys to finally be in an environment that traders actually exist in. Okay, and this environment is really, you guys saw the screenshot, it's like really we share actual predictions of how market will be moving. We will give out also the reason why behind, or what do we think, what are we seeing, what is our daily mapping and bias. We also send motivations. Today I started sending motivation quotes also. I will start to do that now because actually trading, all of it is actually related to, it's a mind game lah. Hi teacher, thank you for your mapping. Yeah, awesome. That's so nice to hear. So nice to hear. Things like this makes me happy. I, Even if I never enter, so I won't lie lah. I got feel sad a bit lah. I never enter lah, but teaching you guys throughout the session earlier we had is more priority for me now because I learned a long time ago that never chase price. Okay, that's what price want you to do in trading. Never do what the obvious lah. Okay, if this opportunity I miss, even though I called it out 3 hours ago, doesn't mean I cannot do the same thing tomorrow. Doesn't mean I cannot do the same thing day after or next week. Yeah, I missed this one, but I won't miss the next one. Even if I miss the next one, I know how to find the next one. So that's why I don't feel wasted. I don't feel lost. I don't feel unhappy because all of the experiences I've gained, all of the trials and errors, all of these things that I went through made me now being able to look at the market and find this sort of opportunities almost daily. And guess what? I share them also almost daily inside of the Discord group. Whatever I'm seeing now, I get to share with you guys. So you guys can also understand and capture and basically be in an environment of how a trader looks into the market. Trust me guys, if you guys want to be whoever it is, not necessarily only trader, okay? But I am only speaking about traders because that's what I'm focusing on. That's what I am. That is what I'm focusing on to build. Okay? But if you want to be a businessman, if you want to be a businesswoman, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you're not in the right environment, okay, surrounded by at least a few people that is doing something related to what you want to do, I cannot say it's impossible, but it's so much more harder. Trust me, I know lah. Because last time when I used to work, surrounding me no one trader. It was only me. Surrounding me was people only skeptical about what trading actually is, and I still don't blame them until today, because a lot of these scammers and all, they use the term trading to scam people very easily. Because why? Because it's true. Based on a button, you can earn so much of money. It's true. Yeah, but then I also got share reality about trading lah to some people who actually got genuinely reach out and are really interested. I got share that trading, it is true, it is so easy to make money. At the same time, it's also so difficult to make money. But it's only so difficult to the point that you are able to look at the market like how traders see it. You are able to look at the market how a market maker sees it. Yeah, so this is what I personally like. All of these sessions that I'm doing, this live stream, the VIP Discord sessions, all these are the things that I'm trying to implant into your mind, and into your point of view, into like how you guys look at the market, so that you guys will be able to look at it and understand. Oh, guess what? Not guess what. Sorry, I can see what is going on right now. I can see what majority of retail traders are thinking. But you have to step back. You have to step out of the box and start to look at the bigger picture. If everybody, okay, imagine this. Okay, let me give me one. So give me one. Sorry guys, it's 11 already. I haven't eaten dinner yet. So sorry. A bit. I don't know why I did that also. Okay, imagine this. Okay. I no need to ask you guys anymore. I'm pretty sure you guys know it by now. If you all have joined my live stream and all. Okay. But maybe I'll just explain because I know that there are few people that most probably are watching this video right now that are new. Hi, if you're new, thank you for joining. Thank you for even seeing this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. We do have live stream almost every single day, sharing all of these free trading knowledges to make sure that you guys learn as quickly as possible without having to go through all of the trial and errors that most traders went through, like personally, so that it can actually help boost your, how to say, boost your, I cannot say productivity, that would be so wrong, but boost your results, like basically in trading to achieve them as soon as possible. Yeah. So where were we? Oh yeah. Basically, this is a downtrend. We understand that the market is moving towards the downside. So we have an impulse, we have a corrective, basically pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, and then impulse. Okay. See the arrow is pointing down. So basically, we're moving down. All right. When we see this happen, right? Okay. When we see the next pullback, okay. Let's say this is New York session. This is same, for example. Okay. Maybe I draw it. Okay. Let's say this all right. Let me. What color is this? Yellow. Yeah, I guess it's yellow. It was yellow. Let me put the fill background. All right. Let's say this yellow box represents what session? London session. Okay. But then this green box. Don't worry, don't worry. I know it's not green yet. Okay, green. This green box represents New York session. If you guys want me to write it down, so I can write it down. I may write it at the bottom lah. NY. NY means New York, guys. London, should I put LD? Can I? LD means London session. Okay. London session, New York session. Okay. Guess what? You see, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Majority, okay, majority of retail traders. Again, for those who don't know, who are retail traders? Retail traders are us, okay? So retail traders basically, we don't really have the power to move the market, how to say, significantly, because the people that actually move the markets, they are actually called market makers. They are the catalysts at the banks, the people that really have tons and tons of capital. They are the ones that truly are moving the market. And we as traders, to be successful, we have to understand where these catalysts enter the market. And we just follow them. Because I gave, how to say, uh, not really a mindset, but an advice before about swimming against the current and swimming with the current. If you swim against the current, right, in an ocean, for you to reach your destination is 10 times harder compared to you swimming with the current. Because if you swim with the current, you lose so much more lesser energy, but the current will bring you to where you want to be. Okay? So that's the same thing in trading. I always go with the current because I want to know where these big catalysts all enter into the market, and when they do, I will follow them. That's basically how I found my success in trading. Okay, so look at this, guys. So, impulse, corrective. Basically, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Retail traders, what they do when they realize, oh, okay, I'm actually in a downtrend. So they won't usually enter in this unless they can see some price action at the back lah, because usually as traders we have to refer to the data that happened before this current price movement. Okay, but let's say in this case, this is the only data we can see. So what retail trader would do, since it's a downtrend, they will go forward, obviously sell, basically short, okay, because they want to short the market. So you see impulse, pullback, this is where they will enter. Where is their sell? Usually above the previous high. And the TP, usually lah, could be this. This will be the TP, the low. Okay? Yes, we won. Wonderful. Okay. Then what they will do? They will do the same thing again. Okay? Above the high. As a low. Yes, they win again. You see, huh? Impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. So they will know we will surely see another impulse. So impulse, yay, we want pullback. So they enter again because they know we will have another impulse, yay, and then pullback. Okay, this is the thing that I want to share with you guys. What are we seeing here is a downtrend. If I can see it, if you can see it, always have something in your mindset. That means 1,000, maybe even 1,000,000 other people that are into trading also can see it. And you know what's the scary part? I won't say scary, I can't say scary. You know what's the, okay, let's just say scary for this sake because I cannot really think what word to say. I'm so sorry because I'm quite tired and also I'm also a bit hungry, but I still want to do this live session because I want to share this with you guys today. And then I also have some exciting actual trade setups that we went through, and then also I will show proof and screenshot of me sending it into our Discord group, okay, so that you guys can really understand the really the quality things that we are sharing inside of there totally for free, so that you guys can really capture these moves or and start to see the potential in trading. Okay, basically I will be by your side without actually being there. Okay, if that sounds nice now. If it sounds scary, then I'm sorry now. Okay, okay, so where were we? Okay, like I said, if we can see it's a downtrend, if you can see clearly it's going down, 1,000,000 other traders around the world can see that also. The scary thing is, remember the person who actually moved the markets? I mentioned they actually called what? They are called market makers. Remember, huh? I can see the downtrend, you can see the downtrend, 1,000,000 other traders around the world can see the downtrend, they can see the downtrend also. And market makers, what they want to do is they are interested in liquidity. Liquidity basically lies in every swing high or swing low. So you see, this is all of the liquidity ranges that they can see. You guys maybe didn't notice this, right? That's the thing, they see other things. They understand also, everybody also can see the downtrend. So what they will do when this pullback happens, retail traders, even myself also, I was one of it before. Okay, I cannot say before, I'm still a retail trader. I mean, the way I think was like this before. Okay, I would enter sell also because I just copy what I'm doing. Pullback, I enter sell. Pullback, I enter sell. So there's a pullback one, and then we're in the downtrend. The worst part, some retail traders, when they win one or two times, when the third time happens, they will up their lot size. For those who don't understand what that means, I'm also one of them, by the way. I'll be honest. Upping their lot size basically means they're risking a lot more money inside of the trade to earn a lot more money back because they feel like, oh, I win two times already, and basically it's just repeating. Why not just do the same thing again? Not wrong. I won't say it's wrong. This concept, right? Pullback, not necessarily it won't come down because what you see is a downtrend, correct? But always remember, if you can see something easily, it's so obvious. 1,000,000 other people around the world can see it, and the market makers know this because they're very smart and they understand human emotions so well. So what usually happens? Okay, usually it will go down. It will go down. Usually lah. The reason why is because market makers like to manipulate people's mindset, make them think that price is moving in their favor. So you would think, oh yes, now price is moving, correct, we're earning profits, okay? You know, then what happens? Out of sudden, okay, this can happen. It can go up, it can come down, all the way it can go up, taking out, taking you out of this trade. This could happen. Not this could happen. This usually happens. Okay. They come down, they sweep liquidity, they gather enough of funds, and then they attack all of this liquidity zone that is resting above. This is what usually happens. And guess what, guys? This happens every single day. But you have to have the certain knowledge and certain experience to be able to see that. But it happens every day. Look what happens here. What trend are we in? Downtrend. What happened when New York session comes in? Oh, takes out everybody's liquidity. Not only here, guys. You see how high it went? So it took out liquidity even resting here. So one session took out millions of dollars, maybe even more, multi-millions of dollars resting inside of the market. Okay, that is how powerful market makers is. That is how powerful they can move the market, guys. Okay, and it's our job as traders to find that, to realize what is going on, and what do we do? We follow. Basically, that's it, guys. We follow. We don't be too smart. We don't try to go against them or anything. We just follow. Okay. Right now, so potentially, actually, we may be seeing another entry model, but I'm just trying to locate and see if I can find anything or not. Okay, potentially, I will be waiting for price to come roughly around this zone here. Um, just potentially, not potentially only. Okay, but we will go through our session first for today, and then later we will speak more, guys. Okay, because if this happens, right, I'm still in my previous life, right, I got shared that this is actually the last form of, based on my trading style, this is the last form of resistance that is holding price down after price actually made the new record of 109,000 something 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 109,000. I'm not sure if my cursor is actually exactly on 109,995.7. I think so. The back pipe I'm not sure, but the front pipe I know is 109,000. That's the highest Bitcoin has ever made. Okay, so this is the last form of resistance, which I cannot say I know. I shouldn't give very strong statements, but I truly, strongly believe that price will be going to break, and then price will be going even higher than what it is right now. I truly believe that. I even shared this in my live episode previously. So let me just set an alarm for this. Okay, get ready my phone. And yeah, just for any potential entries. One moment, guys. Let me just check this out. This is reality of trading. I just need to set up certain stuff. Because when I teach you guys, I'm very focused on what I'm doing. And I tend to miss out on trades like this, basically. I'm okay with that. It's totally fine. As long as you guys benefit from the classes and also the how to say, the teachings and all that I give up to you guys, right? That means a lot already to me, to be honest. The ones I actually earned today based on what I shared 3 hours ago, congrats, really congrats. Thank you so much for really taking your time to really practice and then go through, joining the VIP sessions and everything. I will continue to give out a lot more of my value, my time, and also my experiences and advice to you guys, okay? That is my promise to you guys. Yeah, so basically, this is it, guys. This is what happens every single day, and all you have to do is find out when and why and what are the things that you have to look at to understand who is actually in power. Because we understand, right? Market only moves two ways. Actually, no, I shouldn't say that. Market moves on average three ways. Okay, basically three ways. Okay, I did this before. I'll just do it again. Okay, I'm just looking out in case if someone new just came in. This is one. This is one. Basically uptrend, downtrend, and then we have another one. This is okay. If I draw this, and then it'll be easier for you guys to understand. Basically, this is what we call consolidation. Some people call it ranging. Some people call it sideways. All correct. Okay, there is no wrong term for it, because in trading we have quite a lot of terms, And to be honest, they're not very important in my opinion. As long as you understand what the market is doing, as long as you understand what the market is telling you, it's good enough. Okay? No need to get so caught up into these terms or these special terms and all. It's just fancy things to really know how to say them. So that when you speak to other people, you sound so atas. But in my personal opinion, at least you must do your best to understand them. That's all. The reason why is because when you read these online articles, right, these professional financial articles, especially related to trading, they will use these sort of terms of consolidation, ranging, bullish, bearish. They won't really say uptrend, downtrend, sideways. They want to, article, I mean, it must be very premium. You must really sound like you know what you're talking about because to be honest, they really know what they're talking about. Yeah, so you just as long as you guys understand what they mean, it will be helpful for you lah, especially when you're reading fundamental news and all that. Okay, so now this one is done here. So let me break down a trade about Bitcoin on where I actually called out this move that went on the entire day. I held this trade the entire day, guys. Okay, and this time I actually got very I won't say scared, but skeptical because, right, based on my usual experience now, okay, this little red box, right, is very important to me. This is actually based on my personal trading strategy, which I will share to all of those, especially that join our Discord community and are active in the group and then also joining into our VIP sessions or this one sure I will share with you guys. Okay. So basically, every time when I'm able to locate this, right, I trade away from it. So if this is towards the upside, I will trade down. And I know usually Asia and London, based on my hours and hours and hours of backtesting lah, usually both of these follow. If they trade away from it, London also will trade away from it. Okay? That's also a hint of how I kind of predicted lah, the move today, which happened about this one, this big move here. Okay? Basically you see, red box, I trade away from it, and then after that another red box, I trade away from it. Basically that. Very simple. Very powerful also. Okay? So this day it was quite how to say uh, New York basically was not stubborn. New York was quite decent. So basically you also choose to follow the trend. Okay? And I'm happy that I also held it. The reason why also I'm kind of okay to hold it also because I already placed my stop loss to break even. A bit more than break even lah. So actually I will earn some profits even though if the trade gets knocked out lah, which I'm totally fine with lah. Okay. So basically what I saw, let me share with you guys. Okay, first of course you all know this little red box. Okay, that's what I saw, and then I saw price came into mitigation and respected it. So very important key elements for my trading strategy. And then the same thing happened. I found another little red box happen, and then price came into mitigation. The moment when I saw price came into mitigation, this point here, this was my exact entry. Okay, guys, sorry, this is not my actual entry. Yeah, this is my actual entry because for this trade, this one actually I was taken not today. This one was yesterday, I believe. Was it? Yeah. No. 20. Yeah, 22nd. Yesterday. Yeah, this was yesterday's trade. Yesterday also I wanted to share this in live session with you guys, but then also uh, I had a few things that came up, especially today also. That's why actually I'm doing the live a bit late. I was so excited to share this with you guys yesterday. I even thought of making a YouTube video and then just posting about it, but then I was like, uh, better I feel I want to share it with you guys live here, to show you guys the proof and also to show you guys what I'm seeing, that all of this is also recorded inside of my Discord. So I'll show you guys later the proof and all. Okay, so this was basically I set a pending order. So for those that oh wow, my chair is so backed up. And I only realized, yeah. Okay, this is better. Okay. So for those that don't know, What is the pending order basically means in the market, right? You guys can see my buy and sell right here. Okay? We have sell, we have buy. This is basically the only two, okay, directions that we can actually enter the market. Basically, as traders, you can either trade for a long or a short. Basically, long means buy, short means sell. Okay, so this, right, if I press it right now, which I won't, if I press it right now, basically this means I manually enter the trade. But if you were to set a pending order, basically pending order means you can set the trade to be automatically entered. So once price comes into that section, your trade automatically kicks you in line. Okay, you can even prior to set prior to you can even set your SL, your TP, and your entry point all through pending order. I only do this, okay, because I really prefer to enter manually, but I only do this like this kind of cases. You see, I trade away from my red box and then I managed to find another red box. And I see price already respect mitigation, so it's showing me that who is in control. Most important thing in trading is who is in control. Because remember I said we follow market makers. So are the bears in control or are the bulls in control? The moment I see the red box, I saw price respecting mitigation, I know already the bears are in control. And then to my luck, I saw another one. I managed to find another one, and I saw mitigation area. So I took my bets. I set my pending order, my SL above this high. The moment price entered, price just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. It felt so nice this trade. Really, really, really so nice this trade. Okay, so price came kind of up to this point. Okay, and then eventually when New York came in, price went even lower, and this was my final TP, guys. Okay, I know, I told you guys, right? Proof, right? One moment. Let me get it for you. Now I know already I can paste in there, this one. Okay, I'll show you guys the legit time that I send this opportunity. One moment. Let me see. Okay, cities, guys. Look at this. Okay, so this was prior to my entry. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just paste it here. Yeah, this is prior to my entry. Okay, I want to post more at once, but then like, how to say? Oh, hold on. This thing. Okay, there we go. Now you're not capturing you guys. Can you guys see it? Hold on, let me check. Yeah, you guys can see it. Okay, see, I set at 3:13 p.m. Okay, this is even before London session came in, and this is before my entry. Okay, because at this point, this is when the red box came in. Okay, after I sent this, then I set my entry. So, okay, traders, based on my analysis for BTC, basically Bitcoin, I believe that when London session kicks in, we potentially may be seeing a move towards the downside because of my little red box, and also price respected the mitigation area and continue its push towards the downside. But do wait for more price action confirmation showing bears are in the market prior to making any sort of possible entry, guys. Okay, profile. And this I'm showing you, you see the time 3:13 p.m. This is when I sent this, okay? Show you the one right after. I'll show my entry as well. Okay. No worry, if I lose also I will show you guys. Trading is not only about winning, okay? My job is to make sure I make you guys become the best traders that you guys can potentially be. See, 326, okay? Potential sell entry model here. But always remember to protect your capital, guys. So this was my entry. You see, mitigation. So I draw this after I sent that first screenshot, and I realized price came into mitigation, but I already set my pending order here. And then my SL here. This was 3:26 p.m. Okay? All of this is proof. This is all recorded in Discord. Okay? and then I show you guys the rest. Okay, what else I can show you guys? Okay, so maybe I show you guys the one when it's close by lah. Because I sent, I think, how many screenshots? Actually, I sent quite a few screenshots. Maybe I was a bit annoying this day lah. Sorry if I annoy anybody. I sent one, two, three, four, five, six screenshots. Okay. Okay lah. Maybe I show you guys the screenshot at 4 o'clock and then the final one. Okay. So I sent another one at 4:36 p.m. Actually, I sent a lot more than that. Okay. Okay, then 4:36 p.m. Take partials out now. You guys can drag SL lower to current price to lock in profits if you wish. Okay. I personally, I did drag my SL, but I drag it just here, just here, just below, above this candle body high, but a little bit below my entry model. I don't mind if very little as well, like I get, because if the trade goes and take me out, I will still go and check if I can re-enter or not. Okay, because based on my entry model buy right, this trade should not disrespect this area. If I'm seeing any sort of disrespect in this area, I prefer to be out of the trade. So that's how my mindset lah. That's how I set my mindset to be based on my hours and hours of backtesting. I realized that it's not worth for me to be in the trade if I see price not respecting this zone. Yeah. So that's why my answer was here. I did take out partials here, and then I just let the trade run. Okay, and I'm very happy that I did that lah. So now I'll send you guys the final screenshot. This one I sent today only because I never managed to send yesterday. I sent it in my phone yesterday. I believe I sent it in my phone. Was it in my phone? Yeah. I sent at 11:27 p.m. yesterday from my phone. Okay, I will show you guys as well. No worry. I will show all the proof. Okay, so this is the one that I sent today. Then I will get the phone one also. Okay, so basically 4 p.m. 4 a.m. Yeah, it's an early. Yeah. I don't sleep. I'm a vampire. I'm just so into trading, and also like actually I was preparing content for you guys at the time. So that's why I haven't slept yet. And then I was with my computer, and then also I was like to share with you guys. Oh, actually hit TPUD guys. Ooh. If you guys are shocked, right? Why so many things happening to the screen? Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just because this pasting thing, I'm not sure how it's working, but you guys can see it. Yesterday, this is 11:27 p.m. Guys, for those that were holding till now, congratulations. I'm sorry the screenshot is a bit small because it's from my phone. But if you guys join the Discord group, you guys can see it clearer lah. Totally free to join. Okay. So basically, it was very close to the how to say the TP zone. Okay. So I just basically congratulate you guys for the ones that held. And then this was at 4 a.m. guys. Just wanted to highlight that price went to our TP zone. Then I even draw it out also. Once price took out our TP zone, then price starts to move away. Do you think that the reason why we put our TP there and after that price move away, is it all coincidence? Is it all just luck? It's not luck. This is hours and years of practice, trial and error. Yeah, all of these things, guys. All of the pain, all of the tears of blowing up accounts. Yeah, all of this is the reason why myself and many other traders out there, genuine traders are able to actually give predictions out like this, and market actually moves in their favor. It's not we can move the market. I'm not a market maker. If I'm a market maker, I won't be making live stream all. I will just be happily making tons of money every day. Okay, but this is just how we are able to look at the market and predict certain things. It's because of our experience and what we've been through, and that is all exactly what we are trying to give to you guys. That's why you guys have to be inside of a proper environment. That is why the Discord group is here. That is why we're doing these live streams. Sooner or later, we'll be doing also live events also, guys, which we will only announce inside of our Discord group community. Our Discord community, Discord, blah, blah, blah. Our Discord group community is still growing. Okay, we just have a few members in. Okay, but this is what our goal is to really grow that community, really have you guys become the traders that you always wanted to be. Like, if trading is really what you truly want, okay, that is what we are here to help you achieve. Okay, but you guys really have to ask you guys the question. You ask yourself the question: is it really something you guys want to do? Because as easier as trading may seem, it is true. It is only easy for the ones that put in the work, for the ones that are willing to sacrifice. I have personally, before when I started off trading, I personally have received so many inquiries and so many people actually genuinely interested to learn. But the moment when we are doing this sort of things, none of those people actually came. Very, 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 very few. So this one actually shows me that uh, people are not really, really interested into what they say they truly want. And that's not wrong. Trading is not for everybody. Like I said, maybe you want to be an entrepreneur, maybe you want to do Amazon, maybe you want to be a businessman, maybe you want to do something else, and it's totally fine. But really think about it. If you really feel that, actually, I want to be a trader, I want to learn all of the years of experience you have, all of the skill sets that you are sharing, then join. Join the Discord community, really giving your time, really sacrifice it. Okay? The time we have right now, if we sacrifice it today, the day, to not the day, when I have the word, but then like, how to say it, because I'm tired. Time that we sacrifice today will make our tomorrow much, much, much better. Okay? Because if you not fast forward, but like think back 5 years ago, where were you and where are you today? If you are still in the same situation, it's because we never take any steps towards to moving forward now basically. And that's what I personally feel. All of these things I'm sharing with you guys is not something that I see online or anything. It's what I told to myself. Because I used to work in to be honest, a very nice company. It's actually the company is Grab. Uh, I had nice friends, a great team, earning also quite decent and all. But then I personally also look into myself and then I remember that all of my dreams, all of my ambitions, all of the things I wanted to achieve and all, and I realized how far I was from that actually, to be honest. Even though I was earning okay and a decent earning and not really struggling and all, but I was far from where I wanted to be. My ambitions were like here. I was not even halfway there. I was literally still at the starting point, and then I started to realize the 5 years have passed. Yeah, you guys really have to sit and really think and talk to you guys, talk to yourself, and really start to understand how much of time has already passed by, and how much more are you willing to let it pass by. If you're happy with where you are right now, I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Maybe you found your dream work that you always wanted to do. Working is not bad. If it's something that you truly and have ambitions for, you really love, you really something you really 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 want to do, and you got it. Congrats to you. I'm really rooting for you. I'm so happy for you. But for those that maybe watching this video and then maybe because you're interested in trading, could be because you want to change your current situation, right? I understand. I was you. Yeah, I was that same person. And I also start to ask myself questions and realize how much time I let it pass by. If I can sacrifice the 5 years of where I actually got nowhere, I don't mind sacrificing another 1, 2 years, but really focusing to build my future much better. And I'm glad I did now. And then my next dream after I able to gain a lot of experience in trading also, now be able to partner with other traders also across all the way to Taiwan, which is why actually I'm able to finally make this dream of giving out this free community to people, to really sharing with you guys all of the trading insights, teaching you guys to become actual traders. Most importantly is to provide the environment that I didn't have. because I know if I was blessed enough to be in the proper environment, especially in the trading environment, my growth, my success will be so much more faster, and I know I won't have to go through blowing up so many accounts, losing a lot of money, paying a lot of money to learn also. By the way, guys, we don't charge you guys, okay, for learning. Okay, even though we mentioned like this VIP thing, the cost and everything there is 100% free. Okay, there's just small TNC on how to join in. That's it. Okay, if we have admins also inside of the Discord group, if you guys are interested to find out how. Okay, but the courses, everything into that provider is free. You guys don't have to pay me any single cent. Okay, it just said VIP. It is really VIP. The reason is because you will really get all of my insights, all of my trading strategies, all of my years of experience, my mindset, all the ICT SMC concepts. So that is important. If you go and search online YouTube, right, which is what I did before, there's tons of it. And my problem, what I did was, is I thought I must learn every single one to be successful. The truth and reality is, it is a lie. If you learn every single thing, it's the same as you putting in 100 indicators and looking at the market. One will say buy, one will say sell, another will say buy, another will say sell. That is exactly what happened to me. Okay, I will show you guys what are the important ones to focus on, and then just leave the rest. You guys don't have to be lost thinking, what should I start first? What should I do first? All of those I have answers to, because all of those I also had questions to before. But now, no, you guys no longer have to be lost, be thinking, where should I start? What should I learn? What should I focus on? Trust me, there are so many things out there. Okay, but what we're able to do is we found a way how to really just make you guys focus on just top 10 things. That's it. That's all you need, guys. Top 10 things. Maybe I'll add in a bit bonus things now because I like sharing a lot. Okay, but just 10 things and it will make you a successful trader. Because trading on top of understanding technical analysis, primarily for me, is all about your mindset. Because trading is a mind game. You will play with your mind. It will play with your emotions, especially if you are new to trading. The moment we see this kind of moves, right? This one, strong move up. Let me tell you, I've been here. There are so many retail traders that will enter here, that will enter here, and they will enter here. They will just keep entering. Why do you think this long candle happened, guys? Why? And you see the wick, look at it. Until here, almost closing this candle. Why do you think this long candle happened, guys? Okay, for the advanced traders, okay, they will say, okay, yes, there's a fair value gap here. Okay, if you guys don't know what fair value gap is, join the Discord group. We will speak further. Okay, trust me, I promise you, it is actually free. Okay. Okay, I removed my fair value gap template accidentally, I think. Okay, basically this is a fair value gap. Okay, this is not supply, I just drawing this as full. Okay, other people call it balance. Okay, so based on ICT, based on SMC, whenever we see a fair value gap, is one is because big catalysts came into the market. Who are big catalysts, guys? That's not I mentioned. Basically means these big banks, these market makers, basically the people that move the market. They came into the market and some sort of deal happened that pushed it. Somebody pumped in a lot of money and they pushed the price up. Okay, especially also this is 10:30. So what is 10:30? 10:30 is basically the actual time the New York session opens like. So all of the orders straight away come rushing in. That's why we have a strong push towards the upside. Okay, and when that happens, market doesn't like it. Why market doesn't like it? What does market like then, Guna? Market like this, guys. You see, red and blue, red and blue. Okay, again, all of my lines are always confused with the color. If you guys know what color is this, please leave it in the comment section. Maybe after the video post also never mind. Okay, so then I know what to say. I don't know this color. I just like it, so I just choose it. I don't know it's turquoise or I just say it's blue. I know it's not really blue. Or maybe it's green. You guys let me know lah. Okay? But basically this is what market like. This is what we call healthy price action. You must have a bullish candle, you must have bearish candle. Okay, you see, bullish, bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, you see this is not so healthy. This created a gap. So that's why you see price came up to close the gap. If you ask me, does this happen all the time? No. Don't go into the market being like, oh, okay, family gap. Guna said market will close it. So then I can wait and then enter for a buy or sell depending on the position. Don't do this. I thought about this as well. I lost a lot of money. There is only certain gaps that is important and significant to the market that you can look at, and all of that will be covered. Okay, trust me, all of that will be covered. You don't have to have questions or clues or being feeling lost. Like I said, 10 things, we already prepared, we already know what to make you guys focus on to really see the market and understand. Become the sniper trader that you guys already are. Okay? This is healthy price action. This is not. Price don't like seeing all bulls or all bears. Price don't like that. Okay? But at the same time, why this candle come down? To be honest, he's taking out those retail traders that enter here, enter here, enter here, enter here. He came to take them out. And once price got enough of you, price will be moving where? Towards the upside. Potentially the place where I mentioned earlier that I believe price will be going to break to. All of these things is not I'm predicting based on just agak-agak or just my guess. These are all real technical analysis based on not only this week because I've been doing live quite some time. I couldn't call this out. I believe I did last week live itself. I already called it out. There are ways on how to analyze. There are ways why there are many numbers of time frames here that are important. There are so many things that you can learn in trading, but not necessarily all of them are valuable to you. You have to find a strategy, you have to find important things that you guys can solely focus on to see the results that you want. And that is exactly what we're doing, guys. Okay? And to be honest, we're doing it for free. Really, we're doing it for free. But only thing is, before thinking of joining, ask yourself the question that I said before. Is this really something that you are willing to sacrifice your time? Is this really something you're willing to sacrifice that lepak session? Maybe like, okay, tomorrow we're having a live stream session to learn. But then suddenly your friend called for lepak. Which one is more important? Is it lepak or is it to actually say no, stick to your computer 1 or maybe 2 hours and learn? I will teach you guys learn to make your tomorrow better. Last time with me, I had a very difficult time saying no. But then every time when that happened, after I asked myself this question, I always put myself, where was I 5 years ago and where am I today? And where I will be in 5 years' time if I don't change what I do today. Everything starts with today. Starting is the easiest thing to do, but yet many people don't. And I am one of them. Okay, and I really hope all of these things that I'm sharing with you guys is helping. It will help to open up your mindset. Really, really speak with yourself, guys. Later on, really honestly, just speak with you guys later on, and then really ask yourself these questions and all. If you get deep with yourself, really understand what you truly want. Okay, if it's trading, you guys know where to find me. You guys found my video, so I know you guys know where to find me. Okay, I will give my all. I will give all of my experiences. I will teach you guys all what I've learned. Everything else I will give you guys for free. All of this daily mapping, these things all I've shown you the proof also where we call these things all out. Yes, we never predict the market will go until this high. But it's not important, guys. We predicted that it will move here 3 hours before the session even starts. And we can make a lot of money just here. See, this is all things that we do daily, guys, daily. So really take your time, really think it out, guys. If you, trading is the path for you, then you know I will be here with my team supporting to make sure that you become the trader that you always dreamt of becoming. But always remember, ask yourself this question. Are you willing to sacrifice whatever it takes to become the trader that you want to be? I know the sacrifices that I had to take. Sleepless nights, blown accounts, how to say, almost giving up on trading 99%, because like everything I learned also, then eventually I was earning, but I was losing more, earning, I was losing more. Yeah, but trust me, because if you come into the correct environment, you guys don't have to go through so many like this blown accounts issue, or are you in the right environment, or if you should give up in trading. You guys don't have to go through that. But if you ask me if you guys have to go through losses or not, then one, yes, trading is not always 100%. Of course, you will eventually go through some losses, but through our courses, especially our VIP ones, we will be going through in-depth mindset training, especially the most valuable one in my opinion, risk management, which once I learned, it blew my mind, where I found out a secret strategy where you can be wrong if you take 10 trades. 70% of the time, basically 70% means how much? 7 times you can be wrong, and you can be right only 3 times, but you are still profitable by the end of the week. If that blew your mind, which to be honest, it blew my mind, and I also learned, and I was like, wow, this is insane. Yeah, then my trading strategy and the way I think of what is more important is actually protecting my capital. It's not about just so much close, not about that, guys. Protecting capital. About all of this, you guys will learn. Okay, everything also will be providing, because our goal is to make sure that we grow together as traders. That's it. Okay. So again, guys, I think I'll end the live here. I know it's just 1 hour. Okay, I need to go and cook dinner already. I already so weak already. I feel like going to Pingsan already. But I really appreciate all of you guys that actually stayed until the end, watched this live stream, and also I appreciate for those that will be watching it after this live stream also ends. Also, thank you so much. You guys know where to find me. All of the links are in the description. If you guys are interested to join the Discord group, just click in the link, and you'll be automatically joined into the group. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, I cannot say day. Have a wonderful 6 more minutes of the day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Happy trading. Goodbye.